I'm Eric, and I manage security for a corporate park. Today I'm going to show you how to control Alta Access spaces from a map. First, find Maps in the dashboard menu. Once in the map view, you'll see a top-down look at your buildings or floor plans. Here you can see live activity, reader status, intercom cameras, and can unlock doors directly from the map. To add a new map, enter Edit mode, then click the Add Map button and the site you want to add. Then, find the image file to add your new floor plan. From here, just drag and drop entries where you need them. You can also add extra information, like emergency exits, elevators, and other important points. Here's another neat trick. It's easy to move between areas like floors or buildings on your maps. Just place a map icon and pick which map you'd like it to link to. Once you're in view mode, just click the new map icon to jump to your linked map where you can view and control the new area.